Coucou, coucou, mes amours. Coucou, coucou, mes chéris. D'amour. Jeudi, nous parlons de la ville avec Pata, mais qu'on est downtown, non?
Ça c'est boat Munsirin drive mais ça Bahamas no Nassau le Bahamas porque de tá de Nassau lá na
What it is, hey DJ Poppy, show me that beat right now. Let's see what you got going on. Anything you got. This good, dog. Yeah. Yeah, different again. Oh, shit! Oh, DJ, hold it. Yo, that's my song right there. Y'all give him a round of applause. Ladies, y'all know what it is.
Okay, hello. Afternoon. Fine. And you?
Just find that out today. Well, you so nice. Hey. Ooh. Gotta stop. That's my ex-wife right here. You can't do that in front of her. I love that. DJ, drop the beat for a man right there. He said he just do it like Nike. Oh. Okay, he cool with it. What's that? Hey. I told y'all that's my first son, okay? We keep it gangster, stepping on stage with it. That's my song. I need, you know what? Forget that. I need all the females up here right now with my lady. Every female, get up here right now, wherever you at. Give me her, I want you. Come here, baby. Bring your sister. I want you, yes. Give me her. I want.
Bye bye mes amours, si tu aimes mes petits vlogs ça, on peut aller, pas oublier, like it. Voyons un commentaire pour nous. Si côté ou tu remets dans tout côté nous fait passer à Foyo, donc nous devons nous poser downtown, Nassau, Bahamas.